Well, we have a risky week ahead for Shiba Inu coin holders. So if that's you, you're going to give me a few minutes of your time. It's going to be a very short, very sweet video. I'm going to tell you exactly what's coming so you can do anything that you might need to do to manage that risk. I'll tell you first and foremost, don't let your emotions take over and put you in a position of weakness where you sell from an emotional weak standpoint. Don't do that. We have a short-term risk scenario uncertainty here. It's going to play out. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on here in a minute. But ultimately, we have so much more upside coming. We got Bitcoin halving event out there in April. We've got a lot of factors at play here that are conspiring, if you will, to kind of impact crypto to the negative in the short term. I'm viewing it as a buying opportunity, as an opportunity to buy low, lock in some great deals on various projects, including SHIB. And so that's what I want to share with you in this video. Okay, so right now we got a situation playing out where we've got some pretty significant downside risk for Bitcoin going another 10 to 15 points lower to 35,000. There's a lack of liquidity in Bitcoin, a lack of capital, if you will. And that's happening. If that continues to roll out, we could see Bitcoin rolling down. It's going to pull everything else down with it. Remember that Bitcoin is 50% of the entire crypto market is Bitcoin. Okay. Where it goes, the rest shall follow. Right. So that will impact SHIB. We will see SHIB move down accordingly if we see that. And we're already seeing that right now. Everything's down. Solana, XRP, Cardano, Doge, Avalanche, obviously SHIB down 4.5% as well. We could see SHIB drop back into that 508 range. Right now, we're in that 509 range. So I don't see any reason that we're not going to drop a little bit lower, because if we see, Bitcoin drop 10, 15%, we see Ethereum drop 10 or 15% below 2000, you're going to see Shiba Inu drop along with it, because there's going to go where the rest of the major, big blue chip altcoins and obviously Bitcoin go as well. Okay, that's it. Now, why is this happening? We got a couple of things at play here. We've got obviously the continued selling pressure from GBTC, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, people moving money, but ultimately Grayscale liquidating hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin spooked everybody. And we have a lack of liquidity in the market. We have a lack of capital. We have everybody from retail investors, you and I, to institutional investors making a choice to sit on the sidelines. Our choice is to, hey, there's too much uncertainty and risk here, so we're going to sit it out for a while. So I think we're going to continue to see some downward pressure here. Also, add into this, in this next week, rolling up to January 31st, we've got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting on January 31st. And now there's concern and worry that they may not leave that interest rate hike alone. They may raise it. There's fear. And so we have a report coming out this Friday, the PCE report. It is the inflation report that the Fed really looks at to gauge whether or not they should raise or not that interest rate. Okay. And so there's that additional kind of second and third punch to our gut, if you will, from the standpoint of like creating uncertainty and risk in the market. Everybody's now eyeing, what is the Fed going to do? What's this report we're going to come out on Friday? What's it going to say? All this. So Shiba Inu, risky week coming. We're going to probably see SHIB roll lower because of the factors I've outlined for you in this video. I'm not viewing it as a bad thing per se. I'm viewing it as a market condition that's playing out, and I'm looking at it as a buying opportunity. That's personally me. That's how I'm seeing this opportunity. I just saw a truck go by with a snowplow. I live here in Dallas, Texas. Why does a truck have a snowplow? There's not any snow out here. That was random. Okay, so that's what we got for you. Shiba Inu, protect yourself. But here again, not protecting yourself doesn't mean sell, okay? Protect yourself in this context means don't let your emotions take over and sell because you see a 10-point move down aggregate over the next few days for Shiba Inu. Okay. I'm just saying, right? Don't let that happen to you. Okay. So right now in SHIB, you can see this is my software giving you buy and sell alerts. We're actually still in a buy mode for SHIB. So my software still likes SHIB, but if we see continued pressure down, my software very well may throw out a sell alert, and then I'm going to be waiting for a better time to buy in. Okay, right there. So if that's something you're interested in, picking up my software, links in the description below. Let me show you Solana. 109 days ago, it gave a buy alert on Solana, and then we moved up accordingly. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. but all in 417% up. $1,000 109 days ago into Solana would have made you $4,179 in profit. Okay. So this is something that it's just an additional added extra layer of insight and visibility, and gives you an edge on knowing when to buy and sell cryptos. And you can have alerts sent to this device. Links in the description below. There's a discount code down there. You can get it for 37 bucks a month. That's $1 a day is what it costs you. And there's a 30-day, no questions asked, complete refund guarantee. So take it for a test drive. You got no risk. See ya.